Hi class. So far I have taught you a few methods to do simultaneous linear equations. One is substitution and one is elimination. So I have two methods. I can split down the elimination method into two other specific methods, SMS and DAD. SMS stands for same minus same. DAD is different at different. So we're going to use either of these to solve our page 17, question E. Okay, this is on page 17 of your lesson notes. So let's take a look here and observe which of the following methods can we use to solve these two equations, 1 and 2. Pause for a while and think what method can we use, substitution or SMS DAD. Have you figured it out? Okay, we will actually take a look at what are the clues given in this question. You see, right? I have noticed I have 6x and 6x in both of my equations. But the only difference is this is a positive number and this one has negative sign, negative 6x. So it's almost the same except for the difference in sign. One is positive, one is negative. So if you take a look here, I can use DAD because they are different as in the sign, but actually they are both 6x. So I'm going to have different at different, meaning my number 1 equation at number 2, different at different. So what's it going to do? If I add these two together, what would it give me? It will give me 0. So I can just totally ignore my x terms. But I'm going to add my y terms. Okay, so minus y plus 2y. Okay, because I'm adding. And then this is on the left hand side. For the right hand side, 9 plus minus 14. Okay, once you have shown this, different at different, you see I'm adding equation 1 and equation 2. Again, I'm adding the terms. Okay, the equal sign still remains. Okay, so once I show that, this is your first method mark. And I think from now on, it's going to be slightly easier for you to do because you have done this many times. We're going to solve for y. So you try solving for y here. Answer is y equals to negative 5. Basically, I'm just going to simplify my y terms, so from y. Okay, and then my constant terms, add them together, I should have negative 5. Answer, y equals to negative 5. Simple as that. Are we done? Definitely not. Okay, we still have to find for my other unknown, which is x. So we can sub in y. Does it matter which equation that we sub into? It doesn't matter. Okay, but I will just choose equation 1. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'll just sub it back, 6x minus y. But my y becomes negative 5, so I'm very careful to put brackets over here. 6x minus y equals to 9. Okay, so now I will have 6x plus 5 equals to 9. 6x equals to 4. Simplify, x is 2 over 3. Okay, so I managed to get my values for x. And you can check your answers. I have x value and I have y value. I can sub both of these values into the appropriate equation and check if I have the right answer or not. So you need to check whether you have the right answer. How do I check answers? Meaning I will sub both my x and y back into the equations. So I will have this, and you can check. Does it give me 9 and 14? It does. Okay, so this is how you check your answers. So it means that my x and value and my y value are correct. Awesome.